What is going on, everybody? I'm back on the river after the big flood, and I'm gonna do some fishing because I really feel like catching a big trout. So let's do it. This is a local spot near to my house with very nice brown trouts. So I'm gonna start up with a soft bait. I also have a streamer that I bought the other day and it's pretty good. I just use it with this rod as well, just like a spinning kind of thing. I can see the river still a little bit dirty. I'm just trying to cast right there where the water is quite calm. I don't know why, but it gives me good results. It's a bit windy, so that doesn't help. I got one. Holy shit, that was a good bite. Fucking hell, that was a big fish. Far out. He scared me. Oh, I spooked him away. That was a bloody good fish. So I lost that big bite over there, and I didn't have any other bite or anything like that. Didn't see any more fish. It started raining now, so I'm just waiting under the bridge. Don't want to get too wet, especially because I didn't bring much clothes or any jacket or anything. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna go on the other side of that tree. It's quite calm. I'm gonna give it a try there. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go home and yeah, hopefully we can catch one. First fish on, a perch. I knew it. I knew it. There we go. Not the best fish, but still a bloody good looking fish. Now let's go for the brown trout. There we go, buddy. First cast on this spot. What a perch. Let's see if we can get something else. I don't really like lifting the fish out of the water like that, but to be honest, I have nowhere here to land the fish. Oh, that was a good bite. I think this is like perch territory. Let's see if we can get another one. I don't know how big perch can get. There we go. We got another one. Another bloody perch. I love the colors on this fish. Look at that. Bloody hell. Come here. Don't want to hurt you. Go back. Got one. Just another bloody perch. Let's see if I can get it right here. Ah, got away. I'm just gonna do a few more casting here and I'm gonna move up. I know there's another spot over there which is quite good. I still want that brownie, So, but this perch is pretty fun. That was a perch following my lure. See if I can catch it. That was a bigger one. Got it. There's two of them actually. Look at that fish. Can't complain about this. Okay, I'm gonna catch one more and then I'll move up. Sun is coming out, so it's a good sign to catch a trout. Another one on. Oh, this is a big one, I think. Yeah. There we go. Give it a good play. Oh, okay. Auto release. Automatic release. That's fine. One more cast. Last one, I promise. Got one. I can't believe this. Oh man, this is so much fun. I gotta get it now, come on. Got it. You coming with me now. Come with me this time. Come on. This is actually a big one. This is probably the best one I got at the moment. Yeah, definitely the biggest one. Very nice fish. Bye bye. Okay, time to move out. Right, we are on the new spot now. Let's see if we can get a brownie. Finally, I think I got a brown trout. Let's play it out a little bit. It's all hooked up. Yeah, brown trout. A very good trout actually. Giving up a good fight. Loving it. And the dogs are quite curious. Jesus, she can fight. Yeah, nice brownie. There we go. Let's put it back on the water now. Oh well guys, we are at the end of the video now. We had a bit of fun catching that trout and those perch. So yeah, if you like the video, just give a like, subscribe, the good stuff, and stick around on the channel. I'll be uploading some more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.